was talking to one of my welding brothers that's a CWI in Tulsa, and he asked me a question that kind of been on my mind a little bit today. He said, how could you relate or get a message to someone who had a rough life, like prison, from the streets, to really get across to them, to really help them and to make them, catch on to the message you're trying to give them? And I said, honestly, now that I think about it, the only way to really get that person is to be from where that person is from, or to survive what that person has seen. Then they'll respect you a whole lot more. But it's hard for someone like us to see someone who having went through it, try to tell us how to do it.